Hey there! Stop scrolling for a second. What if I told you the real AI revolution isn't about robots taking over, but about something far more subtle and powerful? Humans and AI working together to achieve incredible things. Sounds like science fiction? Think again. It's easy to get caught up in the hype of AI replacing jobs in creative roles. But here's the secret most people miss. AI's true strength lies in boosting what humans who are really focused can do. It's not about replacing creativity. It's about making it explode. Think of it as giving a focused artist or entrepreneur superpowers. But here's where it gets truly mind-bending. This isn't some far-off future. It's happening right now, or conventive, inner-learning. Consider this unexpected connection. Imagine a skilled writer. Normally, they take days to refine their writing. But instead, what if the writers used AI tools to make their work faster and more efficiently? This isn't just about doing things faster. It's about unlocking entirely new levels of creativity and productivity. What if the real story is far simpler than we're led to believe? AI isn't a job-stealing monster. It's a powerful amplifier for human potential. And the people who understand this and embrace it are the ones who will thrive in the coming years. They will be able to bring their visions to life faster, creating something that would be impossible to achieve without AI. So, the question is this: are you ready to stop fearing AI and start harnessing its incredible power to amplify statistics? If you're ready to keep uncovering the extraordinary insights behind the future of technology, make sure you join our community of curious minds by subscribing and hitting that notification bell. You won't want to miss what's next.